Hey, welcome back to Postal Barbecue. I'm Jabin Postal, and today at the grill, we're cooking up some smoky and delicious Dijon chicken quarters that are absolutely phenomenal. And just like always, I'm gonna put all the show notes for you in the description box below, so make sure to click down there to see everything that you need for this recipe. Also, if you like what we're doing on this channel, consider subscribing for more great barbecue recipes, tutorials, and reviews. And other than that, let's get into the cook. As I said, welcome back to Postal Barbecue. I appreciate you being here. Today we're gonna be making some Dijon chicken. This is a recipe that I got from a buddy of mine. Whenever I'm over at his house and we're cooking chicken, this is his go-to recipe, and so I've had it numerous times, and I'm telling you, it is just phenomenal. It tastes so great. It's simple to do, and you don't need a lot of ingredients. And all you're gonna need is some Dijon and then your favorite chicken rub. And today we're gonna be using my brand new chicken rub, and it's gonna go really great on these chicken quarters. And so there's not much to do to prepare these chicken quarters for the smoker. So what we're gonna do to get started is we're gonna trim off all this extra fat and unwanted skin. You can see right here, there's a big glob of fat. And so we're gonna just slice that off. All right, so let's go to the next one. We'll flip that over. Again, there's a big section of skin there. We'll just trim some of that off. Just keep going down the line. All right, there we go. So these chicken leg quarters are now all trimmed up and ready for our seasoning. And so what we're gonna start with is our Dijon. And we're gonna place a nice generous coating onto all of these leg quarters. And you may be thinking, you know, that's a lot of Dijon. It is, but this is where a lot of the flavor comes in, and it's gonna be messy. Yeah, we often do this in a bowl just because it is so messy. All right, so this is about how much Dijon we're looking for. And the reason why we're using this one is because it has a really nice creaminess to it, and it goes really nice with this chicken. And so now we're gonna hit it with our chicken rub. And this is, like I said, a brand new chicken rub. You can find this on my website and order it over there. So we're gonna place that on. We'll flip it over. All right, so in just a few minutes, our chicken is all prepared. So let's go ahead and get the slow and sear kettle set up for cooking around 275 to 300 degrees. So to set up your grill for this cook, you're gonna place in about 3/4 of a chimney basket of mostly lit briquettes. Today I'm getting my coals lit with my sous vide gun by Grill Blazer, which makes starting these coals incredibly fast. And so once the coals are in the grill, you're gonna close the lid, and we're gonna keep our bottom vents open most of the way and our top vent about halfway open. So with our grill sitting between our target temperature of 275 and 300 degrees, we're gonna go ahead and place our chicken onto the grill opposite the coals. And then I'm gonna take my digital thermometer and I'm gonna place this into the thickest part of this middle quarter here. And then lastly, I'm gonna take some of our wood. Today we're gonna be using some cherry wood from Wildwood Grilling. We're gonna place that on top of our hot coals. All right, so with everything on the grill, we're gonna close up that lid and we're gonna begin cooking this chicken until it reaches a minimum temperature of 175 degrees. And because we are cooking it a little bit lower than we would normally cook chicken, it's gonna take a little bit longer. And so we're just gonna monitor the temperature as it cooks along and just go from here. So our Dijon chicken quarters have been smoking away for about an hour and 45 minutes now, and our grill temperature has been rock steady around 290 degrees the entire cook. And so we've just been notified that the chicken has reached 175 degrees. So let's open up the kettle and take a look. That skin has some really nice color on it, and you can just tell that that skin is gonna be nice and bite through. And so because these are all done, I'm gonna pull them off the grill and we'll get ready for the taste test. So after an hour and 45 minutes of cooking, these Dijon chicken quarters are all done. You can see that they picked up some nice color from that smoke in combination with that Dijon and that new chicken rub. These are gonna be great. They smell phenomenal. And so let's go for the taste test and just see how we did. Oh my goodness. You know, as expected, the flavor from these chicken quarters is so good. You get the richness that comes naturally from this cut, as well as then that little bit of spice from that Dijon, and then the savory and bit of spice from that new chicken rub. I'm telling you, this is a great combination. The skin is not necessarily crispy, but it's totally bite through just because we cooked it a little bit longer in duration. And these are just incredible. If you've never done a Dijon chicken quarter like this before, make sure to give it a try because this may just become your new favorite way to do chicken. Oh my goodness. They're smoky, juicy, and just packed full of incredible flavor. These Dijon chicken quarters are gonna be a hit at your next feast. Hey, if you wanna see more barbecue videos just like this one, make sure to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell for more great barbecue recipes just like this one. Also, special thank you to all my patrons out there who help support the channel every single week. Until next time, keep that fire lit and get cooking.